Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we're talking about your InstaPage account, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you link or connect your Google Analytics to your InstaPage workspace? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to link your Google Analytics to InstaPage anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you know that tracking conversions is an important part. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your InstaPage dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my InstaPage account, and this is the dashboard. Now here on the dashboard, if you want to go ahead and link your Google Analytics, what you're going to do is click on this little arrow next to the workspace. Once you click there, you're going to see a drop-down menu, and you want to click on this button here, Workspace Settings. Okay, once you do that, you're going to see another drop-down menu, and you want to click on Integrations. Okay, so here you're going to see all of the different integrations available for your InstaPage account. However, you want to scroll down until you see this one right here called Google Analytics 4, and just click on the little arrow next to it. Okay, so here you want to go ahead and click to integrate all existing pages in that one particular workspace to Google Analytics, and then click on Continue to Google Analytics. Okay, next Google opens up a login screen, so you want to choose which account you want to go ahead and integrate into your InstaPage. So I'm going to go ahead and choose this one. Okay, next Google warns you that you're going to be sharing your name, email address, and this information with InstaPage. If you're okay with that, click on Continue. Okay, next you want to go ahead and confirm the permissions for InstaPage from your Google Analytics right here. If you're okay with that, click on Allow. Okay, next the page refreshes into InstaPage. Now you need to choose the main Google Analytics account. So I'm going to choose this one. All right, once you've done that, go ahead and click on Continue. Okay, next you want to go ahead and choose the Google Analytics property that you want to integrate with your InstaPage. So I'm going to choose this one. Okay, so once you've chosen, go ahead and scroll down and then click on this Continue button. Okay, next you want to go ahead and confirm the Google Analytics property is correct by clicking Confirm. Okay, a quick second later, the page refreshes. Now you can see I have integrated my Google Analytics to my InstaPage workspace. You can see right here, connected account. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to link or connect your Google Analytics account to your InstaPage workspace, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.